I drink too. Smoke till I'm high. Castle on the hill. Wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup collection of a 14-year-old, which is moi, duh. And if y'all want to keep on watching to check out my makeup collection. So let's start off by showing you where all of my makeup is. So here's how it looks. Okay, so we're gonna start off from right here. So this is a perfume from Bath and Body Works. This is a chapstick. This is makeup remover water. This is the waterproof one. And then we have the bigger one, which is the pink cap, which is just normal water removal. This is for contacts. This is, I really don't even know what this is. What is this? This is the cleanser. And then we have this little drawer, which I feel like we're totally gonna kick out. Sorry, we're gonna kick out. And it just has jewelry in here, which is not really important jewelry, but I guess I'll show you. There's a watch down there from Steve Madden. These that are hanging are Alondra's recent stuff that she's used that she didn't clean up, and I just put it there. I don't know where this is from. On top of it, we have these two candles from Bath and Body Works. This is White Peach and this is Champagne Toast. Yeah. And then we have Alondra's Kendrick Scott necklace box. And here I put all her dolphin jewelry because she loves collecting dolphins, but like in jewelry, you know what I mean? Like this. Wait, let me show you. She likes collecting stuff like this. And then up here we have her computer, her camera, her Polaroid camera, which she hasn't used in like 2 years. But yeah, so that's all for this little section. And then if you turn right here, we have these, you know, Instagram glasses. You know, you gotta look like extreme baddie, you know. And then over here we have scrunchies on this little bottle, which is for nail polish remover. And then you like put a cotton bar right here and like nail polish remover comes out. So yeah. Okay, let's move on to this. Ooh, she look good. Ooh, Beauty Blender just messed it all up. You look ugly today. But right here we have my contacts and Alondra's contacts, which if you don't know who Alondra is, it's my sister. So yeah, let's start right here. This is our contour stick from Wet n Wild. And we lost the cap, but yeah. And then we have this lip gloss that we used from like since we were like 5, literally. And then we have this right here, which is a lipstick. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but yeah, it's a lipstick from, it doesn't say where it's from, but I'm pretty sure it's Maybelline. And then we have our Ulta lipstick that I absolutely love, in shade Pink Chocolates. Oh yeah, and it has this little thing down here. Have you ever seen those videos where like it has one of these thingies, which I have not used, of course. And here's how it looks, which I've used a little bit of it, but you know me, I don't like lipsticks. Let's move up one row. We have this Maybelline lipstick, which we all absolutely love. I got that for my Halloween look. And then we have this CoverGirl mascara, which you know, little old me took off the plastic. So in the middle right here we have brow gel from Ulta. Brow gel in clear. I don't do my brows that much, so you know. Any of these things are from Ulta. Like this eyeliner is from Ulta. It's really dirty, I don't know why, but yeah, most of the things are from Ulta because one time I ordered this big ass package from Ulta and I got a lot of stuff. So we have some eyelash glue, you know, that I ripped from the top because it didn't want to come out. And then we have these are tweezers for, you know, all your eyebrow hairs that are coming out. Eyelash holder. We have this mascara right here, which is the, where's the name? Okay. Okay, we have the Great Lash mascara from, I think, Maybelline. Yeah, we love Maybelline here. It's a Maybelline one. This is not mine. This is Alondra's, so you know we don't use her. Okay, for the next one right here, we have our concealer shade. We took it off, and this is the one I use most of the time, which I know for a fact is 20 Sand. This is a Fit Me one. They're both Fit Me. And then we have this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Ta-da! Ta-da! Which I've realized recently that is actually kind of dark for me. And then at the very end we have this big old mascara that you know damn right I use in all my tutorials because it's the best mascara that I have. So that's for this little section. There is more in the back, so let me show you what's in the back. We have this eyelash curler from e.l.f. And then we have our primer, our trusty primer. Okay, so we're done with that little section right there. Let's move over here. So when we start off, this is our trusty old new beauty blender. This is a Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fuzzy, which we always use. This is our Maybelline foundation in shade 310. Yeah, this is our trusty old foundation. And then if you come in here, you see we have this baked bronzer on Norsa Boost, which is one of those like popular brand that people use for their bronzers, but accidentally we got a baked one instead of a normal bronzer. Our trusty old highlighter that you know, our good old Milani Cosmetics in shade 2. I 100% recommend if you are using drugstore products. Next is this New York NYX stick blush. And then at the very back we have this Wet n Wild tour palette. This is a powder I used, and this is a contour we mainly use. This is shade Dulce de Leche. So yeah, it's cute. So these are our eyeshadow brushes. I did put 2 big brushes in here because they didn't fit over here in the big brushes. But yeah, most of these are my eyeshadow brushes. So you move over to this side right here next to our contraptions. We have this Bath and Body Works cream, which one of my sister's friend got for her. And then we have this nail polish that we use because it helps our nails grow. And yeah, so we have another one of these because you know they literally work so good, like no lie. And then we have this Bath and Body Works body lotion, Japanese cherry blossom. Now we have our Mario Badescu spray in the back in rose water, and we have our nail polish remover right here, which is just our local drugstore, you know, Dollar General nail polish remover. Works the same, you know. And then back here we have our clips. Ooh, sis. It's missing 2 pairs, which is my yellow ones that I'm wearing and the black ones that I wore to school yesterday, which are in my backpack. So now when you move over here, we have our beautiful sculpture. And then if you go to the top, Alondra keeps some hats up there. And then it has this little rose that matches our beds. That's my light for my videos. And it has these like yellowish lights that I'm starting to hate, no lie. Then we have another hat, and I have our bigger mirror. So now time to go into the drawer. Time to go into here. By the way, this is really messy. We've had it for so much time. So our drawer is like diamond out. It already came like that. So when you open it, it's mainly palettes. Ta-da! That's my Jaclyn Hill box, which I like taking out my palettes from the boxes, except our sister, you know. So when you open it, we have makeup remover wipes. Let me move those because there is mess under it and you need to see it too. So these two, they don't really work that good, so I put the water on them and it works amazing. Now we have our old, super old foundation, old primer that still has a little bit, but we don't use that much. This concealer, which will probably never fit us. This foundation that fits my mom, but not us. It's too like little coverage, you know. We need We need full coverage, sisters. We have our old beauty blender, which, you know, we might need when we're both trying to do our makeup together or at the same time, you know, me and my sister. We have these brushes that we don't use that much, which is these oval brushes. And then we have nail polish because we used to love doing our nail polish so much. We have a Germix right here. We have contact water, which doesn't even have that much. Going to our palettes. Okay, so right off the bat, you see my Morphe 𝕸𝖚 Ring the Alarm. Ring the Alarm, sisters, which was a gift from my sister for my birthday. And then we have our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which I will open. Don't ask me what happened to that white shade. I got this for Black Friday because I had like around $50 and I was like, sis, I need to do something with it. And I wanted the James Charles palette. I saved up that money for the James Charles palette and I could never buy it, and I really wanted to do colorful looks, you know, Christmas, my Mexican flag one. So I just decided to go for this one, and it was $10 because I had an offer on BH Cosmetics, and I really do like it. So next we have our trusty old Mary Kate mirror. Okay, so up next, our sister, our James Charles palette. We have her in here, which I'm literally so afraid of. That's why we got like our makeup organizer to not get her dirty. I love taking care of my makeup, like it's my babies, you know. So over here we have off-brand, and we have Morphe. These are just normal palettes. I will still use them. It doesn't matter if you're off-brand, you know. This is a gift from my cousin, which there are really beautiful colors in here. I've tried some of them only. My cousin also gifted this to my sister. It looks like a really good palette, to be honest. And then we have my old ass contour palette that I got that absolutely sucked. You know where I bought this from? 5 and below. So let me show you how it looks. Look, it looks really good on camera, right? I've swatched some of these, you know, we use some of these, but if you put them on your face, they will literally come out looking green AF, like no lie. And that's why we don't use her. And then our holy girl, this was our first ever makeup palette, I think, and it's the 𝕸𝖚 palette by Morphe. You could tell, you know, we've dug in there, but it still looks brand new because, you know, we take care of a sister. This is a Christmas gift, by the way, if I didn't mention, so I'm not trying to like brag about it. This, me and my sister worked for it. This, it was a Christmas gift. This, birthday gift. This, I worked for it, you know, not worked, but like I kind of like, my mom paid me for helping her. So yeah, these Christmas. And the bottom one worked. I played a game of bingo. Mexican. We played a game of bingo and I won $50, around $50. Okay, and then we have the 35F Morphe palette. Let me show it to you. Here's how it looks. It has a bunch of shimmers, which I didn't realize at the store that it was all shimmers. I thought, you know, it was a regular palette. I was like, oh, it looked good, let's buy it. But and this one has like the old Morphe vibe, you know. Morphe. By the way, if you ever want to buy a palette, buy it at Ulta because, you know, they always have that $3 discount every month. For December, they had a $5 discount. Sister, that's a steal. That's like drugstore prices. So yeah, this is a battery I used for Alondra's quinceañera, so you know my camera will stay working most of the time, you know. There we go. So that is all for this makeup collection video of a 14-year-old, which I know you're probably like, how do you buy this, how do you collect it? Well, there's many ways you could get these. Most of these products are really not high-end. I'm not gonna be that rich girl. I'm not gonna buy something that I could literally buy for the same quality, same everything, you know, except eyeshadow, which is a high-end. That is the only thing. So even if they're high-end, they're still like in a good price range for you to buy. So I totally recommend you getting drugstore products, and that's how you mainly save money and have extremely a big collection and more makeup palettes than you want. And most of the time, like I told you, coupon codes really do help. From Ulta, I don't know, they have coupon codes on Sephora, but you know, on your drugstore You get coupons also for your drugstore makeup. Imagine you could literally get that concealer instead of $6, $3, sis. Recommend that. Getting coupons. I used to make fun of my mom for her coupons, but now I literally use them for everything, for all of my makeup, so I recommend that. So I hope this really did help you somewhat in a way, and I hope you did enjoy my collection. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you click that bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, sisters.